Hi, this is Beck from Collombatti Naturals, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use our thread conditioner. As you see, it comes in a little reusable tin, is shaped like a flower. As you can see, mine is well used. Alright, shaped like a flower, and then just to use, I pop it on, hold it down, not push it down, but just hold it down gently and pull the thread out. I usually do this twice because I want my ends to be easier to thread through the needle. Then not pushing down, but holding down gently and pulling the thread through for a light coat of beeswax all over the thread. It helps to reduce breakage as well as knots. I find I don't get as many knots, as well as ease of threading your needle. Okay, at the end, put that back in there, and then back to the beginning. All right. There we go. As you can see, hopefully if it focuses, that is a pretty small eye for the needle, and I'm ready to go.